Elegant gold ring with sparkling stones. Bring sophistication and sparkle to your jewelry collection with this beautifully designed gold ring. A perfect blend of tradition and modern elegance. This ring is a symbol of timeless beauty and refined taste. Crafted in high-quality yellow gold, the ring features a smooth and polished finish that radiates warmth and luxury. Its unique double-band design is both graceful and bold, giving a contemporary touch without compromising on classic charm. At the heart of the design are 6 brilliant cut white stones, delicately set in 2 sleek rows. Whether they're shimmering diamonds or high-quality cubic zirconia, each stone is precisely placed to reflect light from every angle, adding just the right amount of sparkle to your look. The wave-inspired overlapping gold layers not only enhance the visual appeal, but also create a fluid motion across the ring, making it a true statement piece. Lightweight and comfortable, this ring is perfect for everyday wear, yet elegant enough for special occasions. Whether you're buying it for yourself or gifting it to someone special, this ring is a symbol of elegance, strength, and timeless style. Eternal Embrace diamond-studded gold ring. Celebrate love, connection, and timeless beauty with the Eternal Embrace ring, a symbol of everlasting bonds wrapped in golden elegance. Crafted in premium yellow gold, this stunning ring features a uniquely interwoven design that forms an infinity-inspired twist, representing eternal unity and strength. At the heart of the ring lies a dazzling central diamond, securely held in a floral prong setting, exuding brilliance and grace. Adding to its charm, a delicate arc of smaller shimmering stones flows along one side curve, enhancing the ring's sparkle and sophistication. The gentle sweep of gold around the diamonds creates a soft, romantic silhouette, elegant enough to turn heads, subtle enough for everyday wear. Whether you're looking for a meaningful engagement ring, a heartfelt gift, or simply a luxurious treat for yourself, Eternal Embrace is a perfect choice. It speaks not just of beauty, but of connection, making it more than just jewelry. It's a story worn on your finger. Premium yellow gold band with a polished finish. Central solitaire-style diamond with side accent stones. Infinity-inspired interlocking loop design. Lightweight and durable, perfect for all-day wear. Symbol of love, unity, and timeless elegance.